Hello, my name is Eli Sheldon. I'm a program manager on the project and project server team here at Microsoft. I'm joined today by some of our project and project server partners who've all developed apps for the new Apps for Office and Apps for SharePoint store. I will let them introduce themselves, starting down there.
My name's Scott Chapman. I'm CEO of Project Hosts. We provide custom cloud hosting of Microsoft Project Server. And we've developed an app called To a Quick Start for Project Online. It's a tutorial that helps people get started with Project Online, gives instructions about how to create projects, create resources, just get going in Project Online.
My name is Ben Chamberlain. I'm the SVP of Product Management at UMT. UMT is a Microsoft Project PPM partner here in North America. We provide consulting services and build solutions that seamlessly extend the SharePoint platform and the Project Server platform. Today we're excited to talk about our new application, UMT Essentials Lite, that provides the ability to do cost estimating, organizational budgeting, and chargebacks and multi-currency for Project Online.
Thank you.
I'm Stefan Affen. I'm a director at Campana & Schott, a PPM partner providing consulting and extensions for Project Server and also integrating with ERP systems like SAP. And we're very happy here to announce at the moment, two apps extending the reporting and master data management of projects in Project Online.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm Stavros Georgantzis. I am CEO of TPG, the project group, a global partner with headquarters in Germany. Our company is a global service provider for solutions and products on top of Microsoft Project. So today we are more than happy to announce 3 of our apps. And alongside, we also have we integrate also with other ERP systems, and we have the first now certified from SAP integration for Project 2013.
Cool, thank you. So we got a couple questions to ask of our partners today. Let's start with what kind of value do you guys see from developing for the new Apps for Office and Apps for SharePoint store? And how might that change your normal distribution methods?
We found some great value in developing our app for the App Store in getting our name out there. So there's so many more users of Project Online that will be out there and be seeing our app there. It's just going to be great exposure for us from that. And we're hoping that we'll be able to become partner of record for some of these customers that come on and be able to make some of the fees from that. In addition, we're making new apps. We'll be making one for hosting Project Professional on a remote desktop to connect to Project Online, which will be ongoing subscription apps. So it's going to be a revenue source for us, but really generating awareness of our company.
Thank you.
Yeah, I agree with Scott. I mean, really, it's an easy way of generating awareness and greater visibility globally for the applications we provide. UMT has always built on-premise enterprise applications that extend the project platform. This is a great opportunity now for us to release additional applications that can be consumed online and drive greater visibility and also driving down marketing costs.
Yeah, and I think adding to that, reaching customers that so far probably we couldn't reach either because we're not in their areas or because it was simply too expensive to them to have a really big enterprise deployment, and that's, I think, where apps will come in to really quickly deploy something online or either also on-premise with the corporate app store.
Yeah, I mean, a lot has been said already, and our company has been developing, on-premise, a lot of applications over years now. And I agree with you guys. I mean, it's a big marketing opportunity. It's, all the applications that are on online store are visible to a huge crowd, which we could never ever reach out to them by our own. On the other hand, one very important thing is the deployment. I mean, we don't have to take care about deploying the app to on-premise customers. It's just, it's downloaded. It's very slick, very easy, very straightforward. So we see a lot of big opportunities in this area. Absolutely.
Great, glad to hear it. If you could kind of all channel your developers for a moment and maybe speak to some of the benefits you've seen to the improvements that SharePoint and Project Server have made this release, or maybe a couple of the challenges that you faced. If you want to talk about those.
Well, definitely a big improvement from our perspective is multi-browser support. We've had a number of customers that have asked to be able to come from Macs using Safari browsers or come from Google Chrome or Firefox and be able to use PWA, and now they can. And so all of our apps also have that multi-browser support.
Go
No
ahead, Ben.
problem. We're not to go through all the great features that are now available in the platform, but improvements in demand management are key for us. Again, as I mentioned, we really focus on enterprise solutions. So now being able to leverage the workflow capabilities to improve the demand management, be able to initiate in SharePoint and move the lightweight projects into projects at the right time, it's just a great step forward.
I think from pure developer point of view, what our development team is telling me, and I think feedback that they gave to you also, compared to the older versions of Project Server and the interfaces that you provided, after you've sort of learned the initial app model and that hurdle has been taken, it's actually easier to get started with the pure interfaces of talking to Project Server and to SharePoint in the cloud compared to older versions where this hurdle was a lot bigger. So we can get productive in building apps a lot faster than we had in the past.
For sure.
Eli, by the time we started developing on these applications, I was happy sitting far away from development teams. And I was expecting them to start, screaming and being a little bit loud, but it was absolutely calm. So it was really a very nice experience to see them adopting these new techniques and these new interfaces, whatever they're called, quite easily and straightforward. So this was a very, very good experience we got from the people gave the feedback. It was all over positive. Some ideas, some missing features, whatever. Of course, this is always there, but in all, if you look at the whole thing, it gives us a very powerful platform to build on. And I can only emphasize what you said, Scott, beforehand. Having many browsers, absolutely key. This is something our customers were, shouting at us all the time, like, do something, we need it on every browser. Great work.
Very cool.
Fantastic.
I think that's probably about all the time we have with this panel. I want to thank everyone here for joining us. I also want to thank our other partners who are all published in the marketplace now, SharkPro, Sensei Project Solutions, and Solvin. They were not able to join us on stage here today, but I just wanted to, again, thank everyone who's put in a lot of effort so far into developing apps, even before we really release the software to the world. Thank you.
Thank you.